Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna walk through how to apply an e-visa to Azerbaijan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please unsubscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, more and more countries are now migrating to e-visa process because they are very easy to apply. Like you can apply anywhere at your convenience, and it's like easy to travel as well. Like you don't have to, in most of the cases you don't have to get your passport stamped. Just take a printout or notification, whatever, and then just go. So for Azerbaijan, as you can see on this official site, there are 3 steps: application, payment and download. Now they offer single entry visa, means normal processing that they do within 3 working days, and urgent e-visa that they do within 3 hours. Now for urgent e-visa, if you go, there are like you need to pay additional, like there's additional fee associated with it. I'm gonna like walk you through the process. So first let's see the countries that are eligible. I clicked on the link. You can see India, so many countries are eligible for this. Okay, perfect. So if you're applying, make sure your nationality falls into it. Okay, now we'll go back. As you can see, there are 3 steps, and you can also go to FAQ where you can get most of the questions answered. Like you're gonna group visa, refund questions, status check questions, all these answers you can get over there. Now we'll begin the application. We'll click on application. You should have some patience also. The very first thing is to select your nationality. Type of visa. Verification code, this captcha that you're gonna select, and click on continue. Now purpose of your visa. Now it is showing the validity and also the fee. Now you can still toggle between a standard or urgent, and if you do that, it's gonna change the fee. So 20 USD is the service fee, and then 5 USD for standard and 40 USD for urgent. Okay, you can see the validity and all information, that how many days you can stay. That is what you actually need. So select that type, and then you're gonna go to next or continue, whatever you say. After you click on continue, it will show the conditions, and now if you click on those buttons, it will show some common error. And see right hand side, pay attention, where you have like given some very important information. So it's very simple. You need to enter your name, surname, given name, date of birth, country of birth, place of birth, gender, phone number, mobile number, permanent residence address, email, passport details, and you need to attach a copy of your passport. Okay, and where you're gonna stay in Azerbaijan. And we know there's a problem between Azerbaijan and Armenia, so it is related to a region over there. So I select no, and if you select yes, then you need to provide reason, and that could be a ground, could be or could not be ground for rejection, but you got to be very honest. So next page you go, then they'll verify your email, and then data check, and finally payment. And if granted, you're all good to go. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.